Hello viewers, if I go to download apps in Play Store showing this error, waiting for Wi-Fi. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix it. So let's see the step. First of all, just cancel this download and go back. Now click on profile icon. Now click on settings. Now click on network preference. From here you can see app download preference. Just click on this option. From here select over any networks. Now click on OK. Now go back to home screen. Now long press on Play Store. Click on app info or I button. Now scroll down. Click on storage. Now click on clear data. Now click on delete. Now go back to home screen. Open Play Store. Now download any apps. And look, problem solved successfully. In this way you can easily solve this problem. If you found any help from this video, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.